Hello everyone, I am back with another video, and on today's video we're celebrating love with this beautiful love pink cake. It's whole food, plant-based, oil-free, and healthy vegan style with no refined ingredients like sugar and flours. It's so incredibly delicious. Let's get started. I want to make a pink powder for my cake. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a spice grinder. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of strawberries, freeze dried strawberries. They're unsweetened. And I'm going to blitz this. And look at this beautiful pink. So I'm gonna intensify the pink. And I'm gonna add some beetroot powder. Make kind of like a fuchsia. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon, just a pinch of some cocoa powder, just to intensify the color. And then I want to add some sweeteners, so a little bit of coconut sugar. And then we can just get a bowl, open it up, and look at that pretty color. So I'm just going to use the brush that it comes with and remove it down. Look at this color. You can make lipstick off of this. I just don't know how yet, but we'll figure it out. This can also be your blush. Okay, so we're going to use this powder in just a moment. The next step is to do our pink cake. So, into a bowl, 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Now, if you don't like whole wheat flour, you can use oat flour or a buckwheat flour. You can also use AP flour. I used to use AP flour before I used whole wheat flour. So I'm going to sift the flour. Then I'm going to add in here, I have 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of cornmeal, and 3 tablespoons of mock fruit sugar. You can use stevia or any sweetener you want. The reason why I'm using mock fruit sugar is because I don't want any of the sugars to taint my cake. The last thing that I want to add is the pink powder. I'm going to start with 3 tablespoons and see how it looks. I'm going to add 3 more tablespoons. 1. The whole thing is pretty much going to be what we need. Oh wow, look at that beautiful fuchsia color. Because as it bakes, it might lose its color. So you want to go strong. Alright, so I'm going to add my liquid. This is 1 cup of soy milk with a teaspoon of vinegar. If it needs more liquid, I'll add a tablespoon of water. So I'm going to add a little bit more water, just a tablespoon. Wow, look at that pretty red color. Oh my goodness. The color is so beautiful. I'm gonna put more lighting so you can see, but the color looks beautiful. Here we have our sheet tray. And we have a plastic wrap on top of it. And all we're going to do is add our cake batter into the sheet tray and hope for the best. Right? So you do want to spread it, but you don't want to spread it too much because you do want a thickness. Now, it doesn't have to be too perfect because we are going to make them into heart shapes. So I'm going to get it into the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My favorite temperature is 350. It tends to not burn that way. It's just a safe number. Alright, so this is going into the oven. Our pink cake has completely cooled down, and look at the color. It looks like red velvet cake. With these guys, we're gonna just cut some hearts. Nice. Okay. And we probably could have put another one here, but it's alright. That way it looks pretty. So we're going to set this aside. Alright, so for our vanilla cake, we're going to use whole wheat flour. A combination of cornmeal, baking powder, and sugar. I am using mock fruit sugar. We're going to stir this. We want everything to combine. We're going to add our buttermilk. And it may need all of that. We stir it. And if it starts to get stuck, we're going to need to add a tablespoon of liquid. Tablespoon of liquid. We just need it to come together. The batter on top of the strawberry hearts. Okay. Into the oven it goes at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Look at that. There's the hearts. We just gotta get them out somehow with the trimming. So I want to get some of this crumb. I want it to be leveled the right way. Okay. And then this smells good. You can use it as crumb. Now I will flip it. Alright. Perfect. I want to add some simple syrup. just gonna do it pink, but I wanted to do it with white and then the pink hearts, but I don't have time for that. So we're gonna do it this way this time. And then next time we're gonna do it that way. And besides, we're just practicing and just having fun here. Hopefully we have enough for the whole cake, or at least for the top. A lot. I think I just want to leave it like this. There's just something pretty about it, I think. You let me know if you think it looks good. Because I can imagine just putting a few nuts at the top, maybe even some pearls, if I had any. We're going to smooth it out to see how it looks this way. It looks good both ways. And this is just a one-layered cake. I have this new thing that I can use. I'd much rather do it this way then. And this is just crumble that I made. We're just gonna put a flour. Decoration here. And I'm gonna put it together so I can take it off quickly. There you go. That is our beautiful cake. So you can do it like that, or you can put it like that, and maybe you, this is probably the stupidest idea ever, but you can see the heart like that. So it fell, but look at how cute it is. We can actually leave it just like this, and the bottom part will be the frosting, which I think is cute. I'll show you how it tastes. Look at that. Alright, well there you have it. Friends and family, this is a great recipe to share with your family. You could even serve it like this. And it's a nice piece. But you will cut into the heart. Alright then. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. With this beautiful love pink cake, you can celebrate this month with love and passion. The recipe will be on the description below, and you have a beautiful day. See you next time.